In this guide, we will dive into the Templates tool, our Elements tool, and the Background tool. Each of these tools holds a library of pre-made resources to make your book building process much easier. Let's start with the Templates tool, which will pull up a bunch of categories to pick from, as well as a search bar. If you type anything in, it will give you some recommended tags that our templates, elements, and backgrounds are listed under. This is the same for all three tools. We can also browse our categories and find a template we like. By clicking the template and placing it on the page, it will fill out the page or spread you are on. If a template or background is taller, it's most likely for a single page, and a wider option means it's for 2 pages or a spread. By clicking the little magnifying glass next to a template, you can see the words and phrases it is listed under. By searching these tags in all three of these tools, it will pull up all related content. You can also bookmark them, which lets you find them easily under the Bookmarks category under all three tools. Let's move to the Elements. The key difference of this tool is you can search by color by clicking the colored dots. You can also change the colors of any elements labeled with a white star on the top of the thumbnail by using the Quick Menu's Clip Art colors. These are our dynamic elements. This lets you fully customize your pages and adds a whole new layer of possibilities. Lastly, we can move to the Background tool, which pulls up the same categories as the previous tools. You can't change these colors, but you are able to swap out backgrounds at any point by clicking one and placing it on an existing page. You can place a template, add some elements, and swap the background out in minutes. The best way to get used to these features is to try them out and explore what we have to offer. You can go to Help in the main menu and select Explore Templates to view our whole library. Thanks for watching, and be sure to contact us for any questions and suggestions. See you next time.